Okay, I'm sure some of you may have watched the Maverick, right? The movie. So I put a catch line here. Okay, in one of the opening scene, the Maverick, which is the actor, need to fly this prototype plane to 10 times the speed of sound, Mach 10. So I put this catchphrase here because it's flying like a dragon. Okay, so electricity is very important to power up different type of engines. Okay, here they say write T of force for each of the following. Okay, so for this sort of question, you do take note of the polarity. So for setup A, right, can you let me enlarge it for you to see carefully. Okay, you see the metal tip is touching here, right? Okay, this side. And the metal casing is also being connected. So for setup A, both bulbs can be lit. Okay. Okay, setup B, you notice something, right? That one of this part, can you see this part? The metal casing is not being connected, only the metal tip. So this bulb on top cannot be lit. Okay, this one cannot be lit because you see carefully, only the metal tip is connected. However, this bulb will be lit because this touches here and the side. So this one only one can be lit. Okay, next you see this two in setup C, right? If you observe carefully, the metal tip is touching here. And then the metal casing, also they touch each other at the side. Okay, can you see this part is being connected? So this will be lit and this will be lit. So by doing this annotation, you can answer the questions quite easily by putting T or F. So they say both bulbs in setup B, so this is true. Both bulbs in setup B will be lit. So this is false because only one will be lit. Okay. And then only one bulb, because these are two bulbs, so this is false again. And the bulbs in A and C will lit. So that is true. Okay. So this answer. Okay, next you see this part. Okay, for these are questions, I like you to annotate this part. So there are two batteries in series, and then there's one here by itself, and one here by itself. So you can annotate by circling the power source, the battery. Okay, so now what's the question? It says, list the switches that you need to close in order to light up bulb A. So where is bulb A? So bulb A is this, right? So you look at this section here. So which one need to be closed? So this one need to be closed, right? You see? Okay. So you need to close this and need to close this. Okay. So it's S1 and S4. Then the current will flow through this way. Okay. Will be powered by these two batteries in series. So the answer is S1 and S4. S1 and S4. Okay, next question. What is the least number of switches that must be closed so that all the three bulbs are lit? Okay, so let's see the least number. So I erase this part. Start from the scratch. Least number. So that all the three bulbs will be lit. So what you do is you annotate this part. I want A to be lit. I want B to be lit. I want C to be lit. Okay, then you form the so can you see the least number? So because this bulb, there's definitely you must close this. Okay, you must close this. Then you see this one. The A and B actually follows a pattern. Okay, it's connected in series. So this must be closed. Okay, so if I close this one, right? Do I need to close S5? Yes, right? I need to close S5, right? Do I need to close S2? Yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4. But there's another way. Can I minimize it? Maybe I close 3 only. Least number of switch arms. So all the three, but there's another method, right? So what I want this, so let's see. So this must be closed. Okay, let's say I don't close S5. Okay, this one, this three, right? One, okay, I take the big loop. Okay, I take the big loop. Now you see this loop. I follow this loop here. You see, this loop. Okay, I take the big loop. Maybe lesser number of switches need to be closed. Okay, if you follow the big loop, right? Can you follow the line here? So this is S3 close, right? S5 I close, and S4 I close. So can you see now I only need to close 3 if I follow the big loop, because I want the least number. So if you count this S4, S3 first, S3, S4, and S5. Do I need to close S2? Actually, I don't need to close S2. Okay, I erase this. I erase S2. Okay, I don't need to have this power, because you see the line here, the blue line. The current from the two batteries in series here will go to A, will go to B, and then will go to C. So these are the minimum number of switches, 3. There are some students, they put 4 because they can't see this big loop outside here. So it's S3, S4, and S5. But here they only ask you to put a number. So the least number is 3. Okay. No reasons given unless they ask you to list. Okay, if you list the 3 bulbs, will be S3, S4, and S5. But it's not necessary to list. Okay, next question. Take note of this word. Question 3. Ronald wants to connect the 2 batteries and the bulb below such that the bulb is at its brightest. So brightest means this 2 bulbs you must connect in series. Okay, if you're not careful, you may connect them in parallel. Okay, this is the fastest way I teach my student to connect 2 batteries in series. So can you see this is a plus? So you can annotate this. This is plus, this is minus, this is plus. This is a negative. So the fastest way to connect 2 batteries in series, you just join this part. Plus to the minus. Okay, step 1. So this plus, you join to here. Okay, the metal tip, and then this minus join to the metal tip. Okay, this one is metal casing. So this is the answer, very smooth. So the 2 batteries are connected in series. So this is the answer, you get a 2 marks. So next, they say, the graph below shows the relationship between the number of bulbs, number of batteries, can you see? Number of batteries, and the brightness of bulbs in 2 different circuits. So, okay, they say draw circuit A in the space below, draw here, to show how the electrical components are arranged. Okay, so they say note that the number of batteries can be increased. So that's optional. So I want the result to be this way. Okay, so to be this way, it means that as the number of batteries increases, right, the brightness also increase. So actually is this method. But now you're supposed to draw in circuit in the components form. So what you do is you take these 2, okay, 1, 2 batteries, right? Then you connect it. Okay, notice there's no switch given. So you just draw 1 bulb here. There no switch are given, so don't draw the switch. And then you form this. Okay, you can even draw 3, because they say the number of batteries can be increased. So you can even draw 3 or 4. Okay, up to you. But don't draw too many, because the current supply to the bulb may be too much. Okay, so you can draw 3 of 2, either one. Okay, this or this. Okay, this or this. Okay, because this, as the number of battery increase, right, the brightness increase. Okay, so this is the answer for this question, which I will save and send to you, and as well as this and this question. Okay, this one is quite easy. Let me save this. Okay, so I have covered this and this for this worksheet. Okay, so let me pause the recording.